Hi, in this video I'm going to show you some of our new features on Siteparse.com. Well, recently we've added the support of extraction of data from multiple pages, and let's see how we can do this with Siteparse now. Now suppose you're browsing a website like this. It's allrecipes.com and it contains a list of recipes, and for each recipe there is a link to a page where there is some additional information about the recipe, like ingredients, directions, and so on. So now let's say we'd like to extract this list of recipes, and for each recipe we'd like to get some specific details from its page. And in order to do this with Siteparse, you have to copy paste the address of this web page into our web address toolbar and click on Go. Now as you see, the page opens and the Siteparse interface pops up. Now we can add some attributes from this page by selecting them. For example, the title of the recipe. Okay. And click on OK. So in order to extract the additional information from the pages for each recipe, you have to click on the settings button and then select the links to these pages. Now be sure that all of them are highlighted, because this is how Siteparse will find them later when it's extracting the information. Now you see all of them in this drop down menu, and you can choose one of them and open it in this pop-up window. Now on this page you can add additional attributes by clicking on the add new button and selecting these attributes on this page. Now let's say we'd like to extract the ingredients, so we select them from here and then rename the attribute like this. Now we click on OK. Now let's say we like to have the directions for this recipe, so just find the directions on the page and click on it. Okay. And let's say we like to have the photo of this dish. Okay. Now we click on close to close this page, then click on back, and now we can submit our object to Siteparse by clicking on the submit button. Okay, let's see. Now as you see, some of the data is already extracted, like the title, but the rest is not, and this is because it takes some time for Siteparse to crawl all these pages and extract the data from it. But if you refresh in a couple of seconds, then you'll see that the data is already being extracted. Okay. Now that's it more or less about extraction from of data from multiple pages. We would very much like to hear your comments on this feature, and we'll encourage you to use our feedback box to send us your feedback. Thank you very much.